today I'm gonna make boiled eggs salad. Okay, it's very delicious food and I very like this menu. Okay, let's see what we have. We have onion, pork, chili, sugar, lemon juice, and fish sauce, parsley, and hard-boiled eggs. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna put our pork. Okay, I'm gonna put onion, chili, fish sauce, sugar, and lemon juice. Okay, and I'm gonna mix it. See, smell really good. Not bad. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put in here now in our hard-boiled eggs. See, it's very easy. It's take 5 minutes to do it. I think very easy. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay, then I'm gonna try it. Oh, wait. I forgot about this. Parsley. Do you like this? Just come like this. Okay. Then I'm gonna try it now. See if it's delicious or not. Ow. My pork. Okay. It's gonna fall down. Okay. Here. I try a little bit. Spicy, but very good. Ooh, spicy. A little bit spicy. Okay. It's very easy. You can do for your parents. Yeah. It's very delicious too. If you want a little bit chili, you can. Not many, just a little bit. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the bell for me, okay? Bye-bye. See you next video. It's very easy. Just 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Okay, bye. Have a good day.